Hey everybody, welcome back to La Vita Pasta. I'm Justin Barker, aka Big Chef 51, and today on La Vita Pasta we are gonna make a mashed potato that will absolutely blow you away. So, just a few steps. We're gonna need some heavy whipping cream. We're gonna need regular whipping cream. We're gonna need some salt and pepper, a little bit of garlic powder, some butter, and some Yukon Gold mashed potatoes. So go ahead to Publix or to your favorite grocery store, pick them up. And later on in this video, we'll show you everything you need to do to make it. While we're letting the braised short ribs, I want to show you how to make a really quick mashed potatoes that is absolutely delicious. We can even put this in an independent video. But all you're going to need is a little bit of heavy whipping cream, some butter, some garlic, smoked paprika, obviously a little salt and pepper, and these are Yukon Gold potatoes. You can see the shape. I cut them in. Excuse me. These are basically about 2 inches or so around, and this will feed probably 3 or 4 people. So this may be about a pound or so, pound and a half potatoes. Okay. So what's going to happen is I'm going to boil these until you can stick a fork all the way through and the potato comes apart. Strain them, whip them. We'll add the ingredients. I'll show you that in a little bit. But I just want to let you know that's what's going to happen. We're going to serve. You can serve it with steak, any kind of meat, chicken. Some people even serve with fish. You can serve potatoes with anything, but these will have unbelievable flavor. So we'll be back. Again, thanks for coming to La Vita Pasta. Don't forget to like and share and subscribe. Thanks. All right, guys, so the mashed potatoes are looking about done. And how do we know they're done and ready to mash? Well, all you have to do is grab one and kind of stick your fork through it, and if it comes apart just like that, that's perfect. In other words, it should not be hard and difficult to separate. So what we'll do is we'll come over here, strain them real easily, nice and easy. Again, very easy to do.
And then you mash them.
Right, and then we'll go right back in there. So the next move, we melted a little bit of butter, about 1.5 tablespoons of butter, and some heavy whipping cream in. And we're going to go ahead and add some of that in. Nice and easy, right? And then we're going to
mash it.
Mash, nice.
Now you don't have to have the exact cooking utensils as
No, this is just basically me having the stuff ready to go. Okay, so you notice what we're doing here, right? We're mashing it up nice. We're going to add a little smoked paprika. Watch in here. Just a little bit to give it some color, okay? A little garlic powder, a couple 3 or 4 shakes, a little salt, a little pepper. And what's going to happen is all of this is going to come together. Oh my Lord, the smell of that is just incredible. And the color just comes vibrant. It's a little flair, that smoked paprika, just a little bit, does a huge difference, okay? So we reserved a little, let's just taste it. Well, Want it a little creamier? Add a little bit more of your cream and your butter. Okay. And now you're just mixing. So the best tool to mix obviously is not a potato masher, but I had it, so I'll just use it. Now, normally I like to use a spoon like this. So we'll get that off there. Okay. This, and we will just mash. The key is when you cook them like I told you, and they come apart in the fork, you don't need to use a beater. They'll mash up nice and smooth. Now, you taste that.
Can I have a little bit of the taste?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, dang it, my finger got in.
It's okay. Great flavor. Just delicious. And if there's not enough garlic for you, add a little more. If there's not enough salt, add a little more. No, for presentation purposes, when I serve this, you're gonna see that I'm gonna add some of the cut up parsley. I'm gonna cut up in a little bit, and I'm just gonna sprinkle some over the top for presentation purposes only. It really doesn't do anything. Some people will add other types of things. This is just one of my recipes for mashed potatoes. I make them about 15 different ways. They're all delicious, but you're gonna see the finished product in a few minutes.